जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करें अल्फाज मेरे. This is a prelude, my brief introduction to the gentleman sitting on my left. And in the literal sense, as they say, कि मैं जहमत नहीं कर सकता कि मैं सूरज को दिया दिखाऊं. Suraj ji, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank
It's
you
a
very
pleasure
much.
to see you.
It's really a pleasure.
And let me qualify why I said that. You know, if somebody who knows the club and the issues with our club, the mess, the cesspool, and lack of a better word, the corruption, I don't think there is anybody more eligible who is as conversant as Suraj ji is. So, being a Diya myself and him being Suraj, I'm going to shift the focus to Suraj ji. Suraj ji, पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी में भी लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन का एक ऑफिशियल ओहदा होता है, उसे मिनिस्टर का रैंक मिलता है, पर्क्स प्रिविलेजेस भी मिलती हैं, तो आपको तो वो भी नहीं मिल रही हैं. तो आप तो मेरे ख्याल से प्रो बोनो ही इस क्लब के इंटरेस्ट के लिए इश्यूज को उठाते रहे हो.
Exactly. For a number of years.
So it's an honor and pleasure for me to be sitting next to you and learning what was the thought process between the word clean, because clean is a very strong word, it comes with a lot of responsibility,
Very correctly.
and then the team. So what do you wish to clean and how would you do it?
Very intelligently put this question, Lali. This is the basic question.
It takes one to recognize one.
Yeah.
Let's pat our backs.
This mess is for a long time. I should be very frank with you because there is hardly any professional in this team. Even they may be good businessmen, good business. They are unable to handle the basic issues of this club. Our club being a company limited by guarantee, being a corporate company, it is not run as a corporate. It is run as dukandari.
Why do you say that? What are the indicators?
Because the decisions being taken over, they are abusing power like anything in this club. They need recognition.
Example then, sir?
Sir, they need recognition, they got the recognition. They became the committee member.
Okay.
Then ultimately you have to work like you are sitting in a top seat like a president or a secretary. But the moment you are sitting on that seat, you are contravening each and every provision of the Companies Act, our memorandum.
You mean in the legal aspect?
Legal aspect. Our memorandum and article is the red book of our club. You start from screening till you holding elections. Everything was in a mess.
दो तीन बढ़िया जे सैंपल दसो कि किथे मेजर वायलेशंस होई.
सर स्क्रीनिंग ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 5 ਦਿਨ ਦਾ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਡਿਸਪਲੇ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਕੱਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ.
ਇਕਤਿਆ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਔਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਵਨ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ?
ਨੈਕਸਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦੈਟ then article 21C comes for making honorary members.
Okay.
They have misused it like, they have made any, Tom, Harry and whatever I call it, Even the Chaprasi is the honorary member of this club.
कितने honorary member होंगे as we speak?
There are now 350 members so far as I got the list, which I had verified from their attendance register, which fortunately I had to send it to them that this is what you are doing. And this copy has been sent to the investigation team. So please be careful. Don't allow these people to use the club.
So 350 people are using the facilities at the expense of the other 4,600?
At the expense of other 4,000 rupees without paying a single penny to the club.
Okay.
And then they come like Rajas. And now they have stopped their entries.
Do you blame them?
No, I don't blame them. I blame our own people.
Yeah.
Sitting on the top, sitting on the top. They have to have some sanctity of this club. It is a British club. People used to, go for how to get the membership. Now the membership, what you're talking of membership, it's like a dhaba, I'll say now. It is converted into dhaba now. That is the pain I have. That's the pain I have.
And I'm sure a lot of people who are listening to this also might subscribe and share to this pain. One more issue that
Yeah.
you feel is a blatant, colossal, mammoth violation of the breach of trust that a voter does invest when he decides to give power to a certain dispensation.
Sir, when your leader is untrustworthy, what do you expect from an institution?
Starts from the top.
Starts from the top. That's a basic thing, you know. If in case they would have been right, even the staff, even the members, everybody, it would have been disciplined. There is no discipline as such in the club.
Is there any reason why some of the senior people chose not to fight this election? Is there any logic?
It's
or
always
science?
there. No one from seniority comes to fight an election. I have my technical hitch, I couldn't. But I'm very happy that you have taken this interview, because otherwise I would have been biased. At least the young generation, they are coming up fighting with these old people who are all, basically I'll say, they have made this club a mess and they are fighting with them. So I support all this young generation. I'm with them always, you know. I have to guide them, I'll guide them whole of my life. They have to work and they have to come and work together.
I fully agree. Surajji makes a very good point. There is nothing wrong in people who have age on their side, but it's very important to induce fresh blood into the system also, because taiyo te navi soch aayegi.
The system they have contravened in such a way that even the elections are not held for years together. Last
I
year,
believe in this election also.
yeah, I
it
had to
is-
go to court.
You went to court.
Yeah, I went to court, brought an order that they have to have this election before 30th of November.
Surajji, in the interest of viewers and even me,
Yeah.
why do you think they don't have elections? What is the intention behind it?
Actually, the overall, before was against them, basically what I feel is. And they wanted to delay the elections. And they were delaying it, even they were going beyond December.
Surajji, there is something called a Freudian slip in English.
Yeah.
Do you feel that they knew in their inner conscious that what they have done might not be eligible, make them eligible to win, and that's why they withdrew from the ring?
Exactly, you're true. That's what I wanted to say.
I'm just guessing. I don't know as well as you do.
Exactly what you're saying is the exact.
क्योंकि अपने आप मुझे
Because,
पता होता है ना अपने
yeah,
बारे.
They wanted this election to be delayed by March instead of even December. They were trying to be delaying it till March.
मतलब जब तक power रख सकते
Yeah.
उन्हें रख ले.
And you know the worst part is the moment you delay the elections for 9 months or 10 months, how much time this team will get? Do you know it? December they will be elected, and March balance sheet they have to give. That means only 3 months balance sheet they have to give the results. Is it possible?
सर 3 महीने च आए फॉट एन इलेक्शन पहले तो ऑफिस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और समझ लिया जी टाइम लगता है 3 महीने च की होता है.
So the balance sheet, the 9 months which they have already suffered, the club has already suffered because of them.
So you mean to say the incumbent dispensation is already eaten up on the period of
Very
the,
correct,
the
very
possible
correct,
innest
sir. Very
election?
correct. And that's the biggest drawback. Why to delay elections, and why not to give chance to others who come and perform?
And very good point that even if the team clean comes, give them 11 months and then you can again go back and decide. So it is not that it is anybody's lale ki
And the
dukaan.
members don't have to depend on 3 months result, because it is their result
Wow.
which they will be publishing next time. It will be there because ultimately it's a company. The AGM has to be held by September, and that is up to March only, 31st of March 2021. So the balance sheet will be only this year, and 3 months period will have to be audited and then put before the AGM.
Surajji, had it not been for your technical wisdom, I would have never known that agla tenure ही 3 महीनों दा है.
Sir, this is ridiculous. I'm telling you, that's what I'm saying.
उच्च की ना आएगा तो की निचोड़ेगा.
So how can you expect the results from our younger team? You can't. I'll just respect the members and just inform them that this is all mess created by particularly I'll name 2 people only. I didn't want to name, but it is this game is being played by Dipti ji and Amit Garg. Nothing else. No one else.
You're making a very strong charge.
It's a very big charge, because they are the people behind all these people who are sitting on the top. They don't know anything. Naresh Golaji knows nothing. Subhash Kakkar ji is just, he is a dumb man. He doesn't do much.
I wouldn't use that expression, but anyways.
So I'm very clear. The people on the top have got to be very energetic, educated, professional. Otherwise, this club can't be in profit.
Surajji, now I'm going to leave you and the audience. What is your parting message, advice? Because elections are around the corner. You can look at the cameras.
I would advise my members, please vote this time for ballot number 201 to 215. Make this young team, energetic team, to be taking over this reign, and at least prove them within a span of short time, maybe another 1 year. You have to give another 1 year next year, and then you have to see their working, and then definitely I think this club can do something. Otherwise, we will always be in losses. This will continue. This is not going to stop.
Thank you, Surajji,
Thank
and
you very
on
much.
behalf of all the 4,600 members,
Thank you very much, sir.
I wish you and your team all the best.
Thank you.
And whatever you decide, viewers.
Thank you. Last but at least, I'd like to say that each and every member must come on 30th at 3 p.m. to cast his vote, which is much more important for the club and for the benefit of the club, for the welfare of the club. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Surajji. And honestly, just to conclude, if one doesn't come and vote, although it's absolutely your prerogative, because in India still voting isn't, the law doesn't compel you to do it. But if one doesn't come to vote, then does one have the right to criticize the system?
Even
you.
if member doesn't want to vote, leave the blank, leave the paper blank. Doesn't matter. At least one will know that he is revolting against this.
Thank you. Thank
Please.
you, Suraj. It's been a pleasure
Pleasure.
and an honor.
Thank
And
you very
thank
much.
you, each one of you, once again, for allowing us the space. Janta Supreme hai boss, aapka decision mahan hai. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, Nani. Thank you very much.
Thank you.